Good morning. OOTD. So I'm wearing Brandy Melville, this button down just basic top, cardigan. I believe this is from H&M, and this is like with no button but like kimono style. And my jean is from H&M. In farmers market there is Bob's Donuts, and this morning I got this chocolate old-fashioned. Their donut is amazing. Hello. So this is around lunchtime, and today I really wanted to have a Korean barbecue. So I went to Koreatown, and I'm gonna go to Korean barbecue place that I love. It's called Gilmok Galbi. It's so good. So just in case you don't know Korean, I ordered number 12, and also I ordered, it's called just, we can just call it kimchi noodle, and this one right here. So their side dishes are so good. And I'm wearing this teddy bear coat, and I got it a long time ago from Urban Outfitters. And yeah, this is my outfit. So I'm here at the tea cafe with cheese, and I ordered this original crepe. So yeah, we also ordered one souffle strawberry. Strawberry. This is really like soft and really good. It's like Japanese style pancake. Outfit of the day. So I'm wearing this tank top. This is from Free People, and this cardigan, this long cardigan, is from Zara. Love the color. This is like lemon color, and I love it. And my leggings is from Lululemon. So this is my look. So my salad bowl is ready to eat. They have like just slice of bread, and I added some toppings. Cherry tomatoes, and I added some rice and tofu and red onions, and this is arugula salad. It's so yummy. Dessert time. Oh, they have like mini donuts. So I got a iced latte with oat milk, and it looks beautiful. And I also got 4 donuts, mini donuts. Come on. Okay, there we go. So yummy. I got blueberry Earl Grey, and then strawberry shortcake, and then vanilla, and then one maple. So my pad thai is here. I added tofu for protein. Also I got Thai fried rice with shrimp. Looks so yummy. Good morning. So I baked a croissant, mini croissant that I got from Trader Joe's, and it looks really yummy and smells so good. I'm a bad dancer, but my morning goes like this, just dancing and just stretching. I think I'm gonna go to Pasadena area because I have a meeting today, and so before the meeting I think I'm gonna go to have grab a small lunch there, and I already found a cute cafe that I want to go. It's like Japanese style cafe, and they have like tiramisu cake, and they have like this cute egg sandwiches, so I'm like really excited. So I ordered 30 matcha latte, and it looks really beautiful. It's espresso with matcha latte, and I also got a tiramisu cake. We got another coffee. This is honey oat latte with oat milk. It looks beautiful. And sandwich is here. So it's really cute. It says tamago. And open it. Oh, it's super hot. So beautiful. Oh my gosh. It looks so yummy. I went to the Target. So this is it. 24-inch counter stool. Solid wood seat. Good morning. So those are counter chairs that I got from Target, and I am so happy with it. But just because they had only 3 chairs in stock, so I have to get one more because it looks better when it's like 2 sets. So, and it's called kimchi fried rice, and yes, this is my breakfast. So today's my lunch. This is Caesar salad, and I added Alaskan cod for protein, and I also got a fries.